Hi guys, today I'm starting doing that engine. I want to do this engine. You can see Volvo again. So these are the new stuff that we have here. You can see we have sleeves, new sleeve kit, pistons and piston rings. As you can see, new sleeve kits, pistons and piston rings. It's alright again. Okay, come closer. These are the piston rings. These are the piston rings. These are the pistons, guardian pins, circuits, and then you can see everything is new. And here, this is our lubricant for the bearings. Then these are the big edge bearings, and these are the main bearings. Okay. So this is the whole engine. Right now we have to wait for the conrods. So today I'm going to put the main bearings and then the sleeves. Then we can leave them to sit. And then tomorrow we are going to put our pistons and piston rings. So the other things are here. These are our head bolts, 8 of them. These are our head bolts. And then, this engine also needs engine mountings. These are the new engine mountings. We are going to put the new engine mountings. So today what I'm gonna do, I'll put the sleeves and then I'll put the new engine mountings for today. The big ends, the main bearings, the sleeves, and the new engine mountings. That's for today. Then here you can see this is a complete set. Yeah? You can show here. This is a complete set for Mali. In Kosa, we call it Mase.
Yeah, this thing is the best in India. Not you, that's why I'm telling you this.
This one here is the sub basket. Even a pen, anything you can make. So you can see these things are brand new. This is still packaging, new packaging that I'm breaking now. Now, this is the head basket. New head basket. Alright. This is a tappet cover. You see, and this one, the inlet gasket is for the inlet manifold. As you can see, this one also for the inlet. This one for fuel. These are the washers for fuel. And then you see here, these ones here, they are injector washers, and these ones There are exhaust manifold gaskets. There are 6 of them. These are 6 of them. And then this one is for the table. This one is for the exhaust manifold. And then you can see these O-rings here. These are injector O-rings. This one here is for the water also, the coolant system. So you can see we are doing our engine from scratch. Yeah? Then here, this one is a crankshaft seal. This one, the front crankshaft seal. This one is the rear crankshaft seal, the back crankshaft seal, the one that goes to the bell housing. This one. Here in here we have our air filters. You see, these ones here, the primary and the secondary. Inlet and the outlet. We've got our air dry filter here. Since we are doing the engine, so we have to change everything. See here, this is our air dry filter. Then these are our filters, you see. Okay, see the way they go. This one is oil filter, this one is oil filter, and this one is oil filter. So here this is the bypass oil filter, this is the long life, Then this one is the fuel filter, and this one also the fuel filter. This one we call it a water trap oil fuel filter. Alright, so this is our kit, guys. So for today what we are going to do is this one here. Okay. You see here, this is our oil pump, but we are going to change it because what happened is this truck, these are the old sleeves. So this one here, you can see it was leaking inside. The water was getting inside instead of being here. It was getting through in here. That is why we changed it. So the water was now the coolant was now going to the sump, and then it was mixing oil with coolant. That is why we are doing this engine. So we are going to change the oil pump. We are going to the head. I already sent it to the engineers so that they can pressure test, and then we see if it is alright. Then we are going to put that head, and then the connecting rods, all of them, we send them also to the engineers to hone them and to put new bushes, new small end bushes. So for today, this is what we are going to do now. Today we are going to put the sleeves, we are going to put the main bearings, and then for today will be done. Then we'll see tomorrow. Thank you guys, see you next time.